Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to do the second project in the August 22 Sweet Sunflowers Paper Pumpkin Kit. So I need this card base, I need a piece of the vellum honeycomb, I need this purple or rich raspberry strip, and I need this die cut. I need the stamp that says wishing you so much happiness. And I need 2 of the little bumblebees, which I've got. Okay, so let's stamp the greeting. We'll do that right out of the gate here. Get that going. Before I do that, I am going to fold my card and just use the edge of the acrylic block just to smooth that down a little bit. Okay. The colors on these, the way these are printed and painted, are just gorgeous. If you've ever had a chance to watch the videos that Stampin' Up! Puts out on how they do their kits, they actually have artists who paint these and then they make prints of it. So they're actually paintings that the Stampin' Up! Artists have done, and then they've converted it into the kit for us. So this is wishing you so much happiness. We're going to stamp it down on the die cut, and there we go. Okay, so now it says that we need to take the vellum and we need to put a couple of, just trying to make sure I've got it the same way up they do in the picture, and I do. We need to take a couple of the adhesive dots and put them on the back. So I'm going to put them on the back like that. And they're actually going to stick to my finger through the mesh, but let's just get those on there like that. And I'm going to put this right down right away because otherwise it's going to stick to something and get lost. So we need to put this here like this, just down like that. Okay, it's hard to see, but it is on there. Then we need to take our Blackberry Bliss and Rich Raspberry piece, and we need to put 2 adhesive dots on the back of this, and then we need to lay it over top of the vellum piece that we've just put on. Okay, so we pop this down like that. I think I might be a bit higher in the picture, or in here, than they are in the picture. And then we take dimensionals and put them on the back of the greeting. So I'll just peel those off and we'll mount that, and then we need to put our bumblebees on as well. So wishing you so much happiness, and we'll just mount that right on there like that. And then we need to put the dimensionals on the back of the bumblebees. This is just, I love this kit. It's just gorgeous. In my head while I'm building these, I'm also planning alternates and letting my mind wander as to where I can take this kit outside the box. Okay, and then this little bumblebee goes up over here. So that is the second card in the August 2022 Sweet Sunflower Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned and we will do the third project right away.